Hi everyone, Lisa Haven here, and I've got an intriguing report to share with you guys. Well, Hillary Clinton, Nancy Pelosi, and many leading Democrats have just been busted either wearing Nazi symbolism or supporting it. And I'm going to prove it to you, pictures and everything, in today's report. But as a quick reminder, I want to encourage you, check out my partner at preparewithlisa.com. As you can see, I have food storage on hand here myself, and I want to encourage you to have food storage on hand, especially during this pandemic. And right now, you can get up to $100 off of that 4-week food supply kit. So check it out at preparewithlisa.com. All right. So let's dive right into this information and get straight to the point. Well, I want to take you first here on twitter.com to a tweet that was put out by Bend the Arc Jewish Action. And here's their tweet, okay? And it's put out July 1st. The President of the United States is campaigning for re-election with a Nazi symbol. Again, on the left, an official Trump-Pence America First t-shirt. And then on the right is the Iron Eagle of the official symbolism of the Nazi Party. This is not an accident. This is bigotry in their entire brand. And they go on to expand and show the t-shirt. But let's just blow up this t-shirt so you could see this is the Nazi t-shirt. You could see the eagle on top and the American flag on bottom. This is the Nazi symbolism. Wink, wink. Obviously, I don't agree. Sarcasm here in case you didn't catch that. Here's the next one here. And this is the Nazi symbol for Nazi Germany. Do you see the relation? Both have the eagle and both have something round on the bottom. This is straight up bigotry. Wow, the President of the United States is a Nazi and so is Mike Pence. How on earth did they get in office? They weren't claimed or said to be a Nazi until they suddenly became president and vice president. But here we are having accusations as such, so much so that there was even a fact check done on it. This is on USA Today. Fact check, Trump campaign accused of t-shirt design with similarity to Nazi eagle. And they go on to talk about the symbolism and all of that. But here's their conclusion. Is it true that President Trump was promoting a Nazi t-shirts? Our ruling, true. The claim that Trump campaign t-shirt has come under criticism for using a symbol similar to Nazi eagle. It's true based on our research. But it's worth noting that the eagle is a common symbol used in American politics. And it's included in many of our seals. Well, no joke. So in other words, President Trump is a Nazi because he made this t-shirt, okay? If that's the case, let's just go with their logic here, right? Let's just go with the liberal logic and say anyone can thereby then with this symbol or likewise is therefore a Nazi. Okay, let's run with it because it's been fact checked, right? Oh, here's the United States Marine Corps symbolism. Well, geez, I guess our entire Marine Corps is a Nazi, right? Like that's the Marine Corps symbol. You see the little eagle with the globe on the bottom? Oh, they're Nazis, but that's not all. What about all these other states? You know, we have the United States, Egypt, Palestine, Iraq, Yemen, Indonesia, all with birds, and they're standing on something. They must be a Nazi. But hey, let's not stop there. Let's get into some of these leading Democrats right here. Nancy Pelosi, Speaker of the House. Look at that. There's an eagle standing on a ball. Oh, Nancy Pelosi is a Nazi. Based off liberal logic, there's your proof right there that she is a Nazi. That doesn't look any different than President Trump's shirt, like eagle with that on top. Let's blow this up a little bit. There we go. America First. There's the t-shirt. Wow, look at that. Same symbol. Whoa. President Trump's a Nazi, and apparently Nancy Pelosi is too. But let's not stop with Nancy Pelosi. Here's Hillary Clinton. Look at that. Hillary Clinton's got a little eagle on a ball. Let's see some other Democrats. Here's some more leading Democrats you recognize, right? Look at the little ball there on the bottom with the eagle. She's not the only one. Here's another one wearing that same little pin. Hey now. We have a lot of Nazis. Remember, it's been fact-checked by USA Today. It's true, folks. Sarcasm. Hopefully you're catching that. And this is why I wanted to put this out. I am so sick of the cancel culture. But let's make a real comparison here. How about Black Lives Matter with their freaking fist? Oh, and the Communist Party fist. It's literally the exact same. But hey, let's not make that little tie. Everybody look the other way. You want more information on that? Get on over to restrictedrepublic.com. 14-day free trial, by the way. I've got so many other videos on all kinds of stuff. But hey, if we're going to compare apples to apples here, and you're going to call the president and Mike Pence a racist for a t-shirt that looks similar to what the Marine Corps logo is, then let's just compare apples to apples and call Pelosi, Hillary Clinton, and other leading Democrats for wearing something similar the same. Fact check! Where's the fact check? Do I get a fact check on that? Anyhow, please share this everywhere so we can stop this insane cancel culture idiocracy. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Lisa Haven, signing out.